What's going on, everyone? So we are back today on another boat renovation video. So I accidentally forgot to record, or well, I did not hit the record button, let me put it that way, like I thought I did on my last video. So basically I got a few things done since we cleaned up the boat and everything. So if you look here in the middle, I got the plywood floor for the middle cut. It's not done or ready yet. I just laid it in there to see if it would fit shape and everything, and it did. So everything's good there. Everything's good there. So what we have left to do with the floor in here is I got to apply the waterproof coating to it. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to take these L brackets and we're going to attach the floor. Hi, Tony. Hey, yo. Tony came to visit. We're going to take those L brackets, attach the floor to the wall here. So now have that done. Now, something I started up here in the front is making the supports for the front deck. So as I mentioned in the previous episode, I believe, we're going to be making a deck that covers all this. So this will not be, the hole will not be there. This will be completely covered. So I started with the supports. So if you look down here, I got 2x4 studs here. They are put in here with some joist hangers, as you can see, on both sides. There's one here and there's one over on that side. Those are secured into the boat already. They're done and set. Here's the problem I ran into. For the middle support, I was going to be using double joist hangers, and what we were going to do is make a basically a hatch in the middle. Well, nobody around these parts apparently has double joist hangers for 2x4s. It's all like 2x6 or 2x10s. I was like, okay, well, that does me no good. So we are revamping this a little bit. What we're going to use is, I went ahead and bought a bunch of other just single joist hangers here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a few more supports throughout the middle. And then I actually came up with a new idea literally last night. So my new idea is, instead of putting a hatch access hole in the middle, I'm going to make the whole platform a hingeable door. So I got two ginormous hinges here. We're going to actually hinge that entire thing to the front up here and have it latch back towards here and make one ginormous latch that I can actually just pick up and down, and that will give me even more access to this part, and honestly it's just a heck of a lot easier, right? So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I gotta cut a couple more support beams to put in here, and we should be good to go on that, but that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get to it, right? The outside pieces measured like 27 inches, but I'm going to measure the inside just to be on the safe side. thing, y'all. Here we go. All right, all 4 support braces are in there. It's secured with the joist hangers, and they should be ready to roll. Whew, that's a lot of work, y'all. Dang, man. All good though. That's what we're looking for right there. So, y'all, I'm tired, man. Y'all, I done forgot about you. I was working on other stuff. So now that we got the support done, I gotta cut the piece that makes the floor up there. So that's what we're about to do here. So I've already measured out. I'm about to draw my straight line, and we'll go from there. Tony. Yeah. Alright, so I got the piece cut to go up here. Now, first thing you're going to notice, it's not going to fit. That is on purpose. Because what we're going to have to do, obviously that back part is wider than the front. So, I got to put it on here first, and then I got to try and measure this and get it right. So this is going to be very, very rough for just a little bit. It's going to be a little bit of trial and error until I get it right. But here we go. Okay, yeah. So I managed to get this board cut the way it needed to be. It's not pretty by any means, but that's okay. I'm not, like I said this a million times, I am not an expert. I'm not good at cutting. So, so don't worry about it. It's going to work out the way I want it to, because I said so.